This is the Odyssey hub with the 14mm axle and a 9-tooth driver. So, as you can see here, it's a pretty solid axle and long. It's hollow. Looks like a 6mm Allen key. Take this axle out and change it over to a 12-tooth. Put a 10-tooth there, the 12-tooth in, and the 3/8 conversion axle in order to use it on the 3/8 frame. And these axles are supposed to be just as strong as a 14mm axle, even with little bolts. So 12 tooth straight up. That allows me to run a bigger cog on the front instead of running a small 28 tooth. I can run about a 34 to a 38, but I'm going to be running a 40, so it's going to be a bit hard to pedal, but it'll look better on the bike. So this is the cassette wheel I'll be using. I'm going to have to get used to it because I've been using a free coaster, and this is going on the Haro Shredder 1992. These wheels actually look just like the originals, except 36 spoke. And this is pretty much one of the only hubs that I can use that has a 3/8 axle that's relatively new. I've been looking for a free coaster. I was going to drill out my other one, which is possible. Just drill it out and put some bolts in, but you just never know how strong it's going to be. But this should work pretty good. I shouldn't have any problems with this. Be able to put pegs on both sides, and yeah, we'll see what happens. That's the Odyssey hub. I've got a BSD hub for the front. Eclat tyres there, 2.1s. And I've got the BSD Jersey barrier hub guard for it. All I have to do is drill out the threads that are on the thing because it's designed for the 14mm axle. So I just drill that out and it'll fit. I don't know what I'm going to do about a drive side hub guard yet, but at this stage I don't have to worry about that. And yeah, that's it. So make another video and put on the bike. I've got some federal cranks coming. All I need now is for this build is the Haro irony handlebars, which are very hard to get. Alright, we'll talk to you later.